I think there's something. I don't know. I don't really see it. I'm just gonna open it. I can't open it. I need something to cut it. See, we do need a knife. I didn't see it. There we go. I wonder what it is. I hope it's Legos. It's okay if it's not Legos, right? Okay. Could someone over this?
How about some scissors?
This is it. Ooh. The Sandlot. Lucky. Julian. Isaac. Ooh, sweethearts. Nice. What's this? To Julian, we love you. Here's Julian. Here you go, Julian. Thank you, Isaac. To Isaac. Isaac. Okay. Let's see.
Isaac, look what someone left us. Look what Abby left us. Cards.
To Isaac.
I got a card. Abby also got a movie. Can you read it for me, Mom?
More sweethearts. I think I see something in the back.
Mom, what's this?
Wow, Michelle, you're turning on that robot.
Yeah? Oh, come on.
Come on. Can you read it to me?
Sure. Hope you're gearing up for a super happy Valentine's Day with love. Happy Valentine's Day, Julian. Hope you have a great day filled with lots of hugs and
What do you say to
kisses.
Andy, Isaac?
See you soon, precious boy.
This
We
is
love you, Granny
Andy.
Gramps and
Isaac.
Aunt Andy.
Excuse me.
Hey, Mama.
Don't hug me.
What do you say to Andy?
Yeah, Andy,
Thank
I'll
you,
show him the video.
Andy.
Sorry.
Hi, Grandy.
Here you go. This is for you.
What do you say to Andy?
Thank you, Andy.
Here you go. This is for you. And here you go. Julian, this is for you. This is yours. I wonder what's in here.
All right, together now. Thanks, Andy.